Welcome back. Now before we go back into the Clipchamp editor, it's a good idea to take a look at the Brand Kit, which comes with the upgraded version of Microsoft 365. If you have the Brand Kit or you are paying for Microsoft 365, you will be able to add in logos so that you can reuse them on your videos. You'll also be able to add in specific fonts that are specific to your videos. You'll be able to make sure that they are part of Clipchamp, and you'll be able to add specific colors that you use according to your brand. Now this is not necessarily part of the Brand Kit or part of the premium program. You can also manage your products in specific folders. Once you have your folders, you can begin to manage your projects in these areas. So for example, we can take one specific video, we can move it to a specific folder. And again, we can make sure that specific videos are assigned to specific folders. We'll now go back into the editing area. And it's within the editor that you'll see access to the Brand Kit if you have it available. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.